Okay, this is our Queen Deluxe bed from Accent Woodworking. It's pretty simple. We've got two piers, one on the left, one on the right. There are 3 shelves. This one only has the 4 doors, but he also has USBs on the left and right for hookups, as you can see there. And to put the bed down, this bed doesn't have a mattress in it right now, but it will. Just easy, pull the handles. Halfway down, you'll feel the tension a little bit on the pistons, but not much. Grab in the middle, flip your leg over, and you just ease on down. And once the mattress is in here, the bed will stay, but without it, the pistons want to bring it back up. And then he also has the USB on the side right here, and the switch for this is on his headboard on the right side, which turns his lights on in the USB. And the USBs and the piers are always constant on. And then putting the bed up, I'll turn your light off if you want. But once the mattress is in here, it will have some weight, and then you'll just flip your leg back over. So, ease it up, don't slam it. You've got your bumpers up here which will stop the bed anyway, but just be gentle. And just kind of let it go in nice and easy. And that's it.